throttle. Bella Italia. Oh, 260. Bam! So hello people, this is Moskavlok. You are currently joining me in the Ferrari A12 Superfast, and I'm currently taking it onto the Autobahn to see how it will perform. Let's hope we get some free stretches here to just give this V12 monster what it deserves. Let's just floor it here. Oh my god. 250 already, what the hell? 250 already. Wow, what is this? This car is so stable on the ground that I'm not feeling the speed at all, and it's so fast to go there. This is unbelievable. Full throttle. 250. Oh my goodness, what is this? This is so fast. Wow. Oh my good god, I did not expect this. Well, I did, but not this way. The pull is insane. The shift lights, pure emotions. Let's put it into the manual. Go into the manual, please. Yes, now I have to shift all myself. Oh, people, I'm having so much fun right now. Oh, the shift! Oh, the shifts are so strong in the race mode. Oh, and the bam and the... I can just hear this V12 rawness getting out of this exhaust. Oh my goodness. Wow, what a car. Let's put it to the sport because it's a little bit bumpy in the race mode. I love these shift lights here. 200. This is unbelievable. Wow, what a car. So people, it's so stable on the ground. Only in the race mode it's jumping around, but like this it's so stable, and the torque and the power and the torque is unbelievable. You can feel that this is 800 horsepower. The noise makes you think it's 1,000. So people, let's go again here. Oh, 200 already! This is so fast! The noise is insane. Look at that! 230, 240, 250, 270 already! What the hell? 280, 290, 300, 310, 320. Let's brake here. 323. Oh my goodness, this was so fast. Oh, 240 in a corner, the car doesn't even care. 323 like it's nothing. It felt like nothing. It went there like it's nothing. This is insane. This is the most fun I've ever had emptying a fuel tank. Literally. And you can ride with it so comfortably, it's unbelievable. The steering is super as well. Bam! That's 270 already. I'm literally feeling like I'm going 180 or something like this. Just listen to this now here. Ho, ho, ho. So people, let's continue our Autobahn drive here with the A12 Superfast, the Ferrari A12 Superfast. Literally the best car I've been with on the Autobahn, because I just did 323 or something like this, and I didn't even feel it, and it went so fast up there. This is absolutely insane. This must be the best car I've ever driven on an Autobahn. So stable on the ground, so fast to go there. It's absolutely perfect. The shifts, the power, I'm already at 200. It feels like 120. It's not, you can't describe it in words. How does a Chiron feel like? Full throttle. Bella Italia. Oh, 260, 270, brake, into brake. I'm calmly braking, literally a calm brake, not even pressing 30% of the pedal. And now let's go. 200, 250, 270. Need to brake here now. This is not describable in words. Need to slow down here a little because I don't see what's coming. It's nothing, ladies and gentlemen. Corner. But at 240 in a corner, this car is cornering so well, like it's absolutely nothing. I can't keep repeating these words, but it's literally doing it with so much ease, and it's tearing through its fuel tank, absolutely tearing through it. But what do you expect going these speeds with a naturally aspirated V12? What do you expect? This car is not for saving fuel. The price of it is like 400,000 euros. I think you have other expenses on this car than a fuel bill. Other things to worry about. Transmission, so emotional. Oh, bella macchina, making me Italiano. This is so fast, this is unbelievable. One of the best cars I've ever driven. So people, let's do one last little pull and then end the video. I'm gonna brake here because they are hugging each other here. hope you enjoyed this video with the Ferrari 812 Superfast, whatever. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.